Hello fam, this is Divine Collections coming at you with another video, and today, as you can see, I am doing some more embroidering, and I am doing a hat. So as you can see, it's a hat, but it's the one with the hole in the middle. I don't know what exactly it's called, but so the only real space is the one in the front. Is the one right here in the front. So I have my logo, Divine Collections, so just D Cole, as you can see on the screen. I have it on there. I've done the D and the L, and I'm just going to switch out the thread so that I can do the C and the O, which is the rest of it. So I want to do it in a different colored thread. So I'm just gonna switch out the machine, switch out the thread, and come back. So I switch the thread out, and also, as you all can see, I don't actually have the hat. I don't actually have the hat on locked into the machine because it's not going to be able to lock in. So I'm doing the method called floating. So I'm just floating it right on there. This is what you have to do if you have certain things that you cannot put directly on your machine. You have to float it. Just put it right on top and lock it in. So I'm holding it. I'm helping the machine so that it can kind of like stabilize. And that's what I'm doing. Even though it has locked down some stitches, the D and the L, but you might have to help it a little bit. Just make sure that you avoid get into clothes. So that's what I'm doing. Yep. Uh-oh. Alright, fam. Finally, the design is done. My needle did break, so plan for the worst. Make sure you have a spare needle. Make sure you have a spare needle if you are doing a project like this, okay? Don't only have one needle. Make sure you order some more so that if the worst happens, the needle breaks, you are not, caught off guard, okay? But design is done. I'm gonna switch this out of here so that I can pop it off the embroidery hoop, just like I did. So you all, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and leave your comments, and share with friends and family. All right, thank you. Bye.